Hi everyone, this is Matthew Ma with Aleddra LED Lighting. Thank you for tuning in our demo video today. I'm very excited to share with you two new emergency lighting products. One is for internal installation, the other one is for external installation. There are similar products out on the market, but these are the only ones that come with self-testing function. That is, it will self-test 30 seconds every month, and once a year it will auto-test for 90 minutes. If you have a customer that with large facilities to manage, they will certainly appreciate the labor saving on the manual test. Not to mention some of the fixtures are very hard to reach. It's very time consuming. Both products are UL 924 certified and will last over 90 minutes on battery. I'll start with the internal emergency pack. With this, it comes with a battery and an emergency driver. So what you do with this is you put inside the housing of the existing fixtures and wire the emergency driver parallel to the existing driver. So during the power outage, it doesn't really drive or rely on the existing driver. It will provide sufficient power, most likely partial power, to the LED dial directly. For example, I have installed a 30-watt internal emergency pack inside of this 225-watt linear high bay. I'm going to power it up so you can see it. Here we go. It's now 225 watt. During the power outage, now the internal battery pack is providing 30 watts power to this linear high bay fixtures. As you can see, and this dial is now working off the battery power. With internal emergency pack, you have to have sufficient housing on the fixture in order to house the internal emergency pack. Ideal fixture would be linear high bay, vapor type fixtures, linear troughters, or some of the ceiling light with a drum shape that has a sufficient room and space to house the internal driver. However, if you have a smaller fixtures or just the LED lamp that doesn't really come with the space to house the internal emergency pack, what do? No worry, we have you covered. That's why we offer the external emergency pack. External emergency pack does not come with the driver itself. It's just a battery pack with smart IC. What it does is, during power outage, you will provide full power or partial power through the existing driver and power the LED diodes in the fixtures or the lamp. Here's one example. What I have here is a 15 watt ceiling light. I'm going to power it up. It's already on battery, so you don't see the difference. So it's now turned on the regular power. There's a red light, I don't know if you can see it, indicating if I turn it off, in a second it kicks in the battery, because I have a 15 watt fixtures and a 15 watt battery pack, so you don't see the difference in terms of power, the light output. But with 15 watt power battery pack, it can supply and light up full power for any lamp or fixtures that's less than 15 watt. So it's ideal for, say, a PL lamp, 6 watt PL lamp, 11 watt downlight, or even the 15 watt U-band TA, or a PIL lamp. You can use this 15 watt battery pack to power at full power. But if you have a fixture that has higher wattage, say 40 watt or 48 watt, what do? You can wire it with a through its dimming line. Here's one example. What I have here is a 48 watt panel light wired with our external emergency pack. Let me turn it on. Okay, now it's on 48 watt output. You can see it with the light reflecting off the wall here. If I turn it off, now in 3 seconds it detects the power outage. It will kick in with 25 watt on this particular package, 25 watt battery power to the panel light. So you wire, when you have a fixture that has higher wattage than the wattage rating of the battery pack, all you need to do is wire the dimming line out from the battery pack to the dimming line of the fixtures. That way, during power outage, you can provide partial power and light up the fixtures. So again, with the external battery pack or the emergency pack, it doesn't come with the driver. You only provide battery power. You rely on the existing driver. So during the power outage, you will provide partial power to the fixture that was rated higher wattage, or full power for the lamp or fixture that has lower wattage rating than the rating of the wattage rating of the power pack. The battery pack. With the internal emergency pack, we offer 15 watt and 30 watt. With the external emergency pack, we offer 15 watt, 25 watt, and 40 watt. With these two product families, we cover pretty much all your indoor emergency lighting needs. But again, our emergency TA lamp comes with a built-in battery that already give you a plug-and-play solution for your emergency TA. And we also offer special UFO emergency high bay that is an inline design. You can watch another video showing how it works. With that, we have all your indoor emergency lighting need covers. Check with Aledra's local distributors or agents, or contact us directly for more information. Again, the only one that come with the self-testing functions on this internal and external emergency pack. Till next time, we'll see you. Bye.